This is all new Rimac Nevera. Hypercar manufacturer and electric technology specialist, Rimac Automobile unveiled a production version of the C2, now becoming the Nevera, an all-electric 1,914 horsepower, 258 miles per hour, and €2 million hypercar designed and engineered to unleash an unprecedented level of performance. The Rimac Nevera is the production-ready iteration of the Rimac C2 concept car, which has debuted at International Geneva Motor Show in 2018. Since then, Rimac engineers have refined the new flagship on every level during the extensive development program in pursuit of ultimate electric hypercar driving experience.
I hope you could find something interesting when watching a video. Thanks again for watching.